Good morning, everybody. So I'm having an open house right now, today on Saturday, August 1st at 10:15 Sherwood Boulevard in Big Bear City. So this will be a great small second home, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It also has a bonus room. There's something I want to tell you about just really quick. Mortgage rates, I'm sure if you haven't heard yet, they have definitely gone up. Crazy, right? So I'm just gonna give you the average. The average, if you Google it or what have you, the average is sitting about above 6.5%. Typically 0 points, primary home and things like that. I do want you to know that on a primary home, you can put as little as 3% down, depending on the program. Now on conventional, I'm gonna tell you that in the second home, typically, second home starts at 10% down, and the interest rates are typically much higher. They're up to about 1% higher than a primary home rate, depending on the bank and the interest rate and things like that. I usually shop pretty good. However, if you put 20% or more down, you can get the rate down to as close as the primary rate. I know, crazy, right? It's all about default risk. So anyway, let's talk about this home. I'm going to show you more about this home. All right, here we go. So let's check out this home. Beautiful front porch. You want to sit, enjoy the view, quietness. And check out the inside. It's vacant, so it's gonna look kind of empty. Got the living room. We got the fire stove. Got the kitchen. Whatever you see is what you get. That will definitely be documented. We got the fridge, laundry equipment. Take a hike in a small hallway. The first bedroom. Then you head into the bathroom. Then you head into what we call it a bonus room. You can call it a second bedroom if you want, but technically we can't. And going out to the back door. We got the back shed with the workshop. Electricity included. Well, I should say electrical stuff included. So that's it. That's a small tour. This house has been just price reduced, $249,999. Great second home. If you live right down the hill, if you live not too far, think about it. You can come up, your weekend getaway. I know I get asked this a lot. What about short-term rental? That's a conversation we should have. So just give me a call or you can private message me. Have an awesome day, everybody.